100%. I tell you, if I have another chance or another surgery, I'll come back and see him. Now, looking back, last time when I first saw him at my first consultation, I was impressed with his diagnosis that I never heard in my prior surgeon. And he right away told me the issue that I have because he had the same experience with his other patients, similar problems that I have. And one thing that also have confidence in him because my sports medicine doctor referred me to him, whom he had the pleasure of working with him for 12 years. And he said to me, which I always have it in my mind, you are in good hands with Dr. Jamil. So right away at that moment I said, I will take that appointment for my surgery. Oh, the best part of my experiences I had with Dr. Jamil is that I have a small incision. I couldn't believe it's really tiny, and now it's healing really nice. And the best part of it too is that I can now walk. I am happy that my life has changed. And then in the past, I always think about my pain every day, and I am a different person now because I can move around with a lot of flexibility, and most importantly is that I can drive with no problem because in the past I have to lift my legs straight it up and I cannot bend it. Now I can bend it with no problem at all. And also, this is something I cannot compare my the result that what I have in my first surgery. It was totally different. I thought I would get better, but here I am. I can walk straight. I can do anything I want to do. I can go to the gym with no problem. It was really a miracle. And I really thank very personally to Dr. Jamil that he is my surgeon. I really thought that if you have a good surgeon, you can see the success of your surgery. So that's what I always think about. Dr. Jamil is the best surgeon.